Bullseye! Oh yeah, baby.
Lucky shot.
Luck? Please, that was pure skill.
If you're so good, then why didn't you hit the bullseye every time? I mean, look at the target. Sure, some of your arrows are closer to the center, but some are near the edges, while some miss the rings completely.
Okay, but I bet the next one will hit the bullseye.
You're on.
Dang. I felt like I did the exact same things as the shot before, but it didn't land in the same place.
You should have trusted probability. See, before that last shot, you'd already shot 40 arrows at your target. I recorded where each shot went. 10 went in the bullseye, 18 in the inner rings, 8 in the outer rings, and 4 went completely off target. So the proportion of shots that hit the bullseye was 10 out of 40, which can be expressed as the fraction 1/4, or 25%.
And I suppose even if I am extremely consistent with my release, the shots won't land in the same spot every time because there's always some randomness. Tiny changes in angle, wind, release tension. So while probability can't predict where the next arrow will land, it can predict the likelihood of where it will land.
It helps us make sense of uncertainty. We can also use it to compare archers. I mean, look at my target. I hit the bullseye 12 times, while you only hit the bullseye 10 times.
I'm not so sure that means what you think it means, Andrew.
What do you mean?
Sure, you hit the bullseye 12 times, but you shot 60 arrows, while I only shot 40 arrows. 12 out of 60 can be expressed as 1 out of 5, or a probability of 20%.
Which is lower than 25%.
But I'm sure it's just because I'm luckier than you, right?
I wonder what would be more likely. Me hitting the bullseye twice in a row, or missing the target entirely with one arrow?
Well, you missed the target 3 out of 60 shots, which can be simplified to 1 in 20, or 5%.
Wow, that's way lower than my 20% chance of hitting the bullseye.
Not so fast, my friend. When calculating the probability of multiple events, you multiply the probability of each separate event. So the probability of you hitting a bullseye twice in a row would be 1/5 times 1/5. This can be simplified to 1 in 25, or 4%.
Dang, virtually even. You know, archery is kind of like life, right? We often make our best decisions not from a single outcome, but from the patterns we find in many outcomes.
Don't worry, Andrew. I still think you could hit bullseye back to back.
I appreciate your faith in me, Willa, particularly when the math doesn't support it.